Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Knowledge Mafia. Aston Martin, Valhalla. Aston Martin's lines up, sourcing names from the power and romance of Norwaying lore continues with 2022 as Valhalla, another result of a collaboration between Aston Martin and the Red Bull racing team. Only 500 of these mid-engine hypercars will be made. A turbocharged 3LV6 engine will power the Valhalla, which is thought to be less performance focused than the Valkyrie. Instead, this hybrid supercar focus on heat handling as well as bringing a suitable edge to the British auto house. And that's before we have discussed the streamlined structure and bodywork. Aston Martin has mentioned that the interior is filled with space, edge elements, and invention that increase the feeling that this car is something incredibly new. The infotainment screen is in the middle of the steering wheel, so your eyes needn't wander. Button dense dashes of the past have been replaced with an integrated band that seamlessly provides audio, ventilation, and lighting.